Hi, today I want to share with you how I made this card. I didn't make it for any special purpose, it's just for fun. It consists of two mechanisms, the half cylinder and the pull strip across the page. The slit here is like this, and this is a slot. This is the candle. The tab is glued on this line, like this. And the tab goes to the back and then thread through this slit and go to the front again. This tab glues here, so I have to glue it when it is shut, and then when it opens it will pull the tab to here. So the distance between the width of this candle is 6, but here is only 4, so the tab has to pull it 2 cm. So it is 2 cm, 1 cm here and 1 cm here. 1 cm here and 1 cm here. So when it is closed, it is like this, but when it opens, this tab, this pull strip will be pulled from here to here. So that is exactly 2 cm. It's the distance between this slot and this edge. So when you pull it, the candle will curve like this and becomes a half cylinder. In other words, you decide how curved you want the half cylinder to be, and then measure the distance between the original edge when it lies flat, it is here, and the new edge, it is here, and it is exactly 2 cm here. So you measure from the gully here half the distance, that is 1 cm here, and the glue tab will be glued here. But it's difficult to glue like this, so you glue this glue tab first, and you also have to measure half the distance, that is exactly the width here, that is 1 cm, 1 cm backward to here, so that is exactly 2 cm, and you mark the line of 1 cm here, you glue here, and then place the glue tab here, put glue on, and then close. It will be glued like this. Now I have a problem because this piece I drew the candle on watercolor paper, so it is white, but the glue tab will extend to here and you will see the white glue tab or the pull strip. So I have to add another piece halfway, about halfway on here, a black piece, so that you can only see the black part of it. I've decided the black piece is midway along this pull strip because when I thread it through the slots, or the slot and the slit, it's pulled like this, and then it is released back. If I make it the edge here, the end here, then it may hit a snag and it can't go back and forth smoothly. So when it is midway here, it won't clash with either this slit or the slot. The distance of the gluing position of this glue tab is not the same as this one, because for this one I wanted it to move 2 cm, so this will be half the distance, that is 1 cm from the goulie. But for this one, because the width here is 2.5 cm, so the total distance should be 2.5 cm. So from the goulie to this line should be 1.25 cm. In my original dummy, I cut the slit at less than 2.5 cm from this edge, so you will see some empty space here. So you can see that I marked this distance should be greater than 2.5 cm, so that when it moves from here, you won't see the empty space, and like this. And also because if it's too close to this edge that is less than 2.5 cm, this edge will be stuck here and I can't move further. So in conclusion, the distance between the edge of this aperture and this slit should be greater than 2.5 cm, that is the width of this aperture. Actually, I cut the slit here too wide. It doesn't have to be that wide, so I may use tissue tape or adhesive tape to tape here. And I will also add a sleeve here so as to guard the moving of this tab or this pull strip, like the dummy here. Like this. Now this is the back. I've already added the sleeve, and you can see that I left some space underneath. It's folded like this. I mark 2 edges here, and then like this one. Say I've already marked this one. Mark the line here. I fold it backward, and then forward again like this, and also on the other side like this. For the wordings or the inscription, I used white or beige acrylic pen marker to draw the to write the words first, and then use white puffy paint on the down strokes. I hope you like my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.